See, class 12, good evening. Let us learn today derivative of parametric functions that we have learned day before yesterday. The first thing is when x and y both are functions of another variable, say theta, or functions of t, then how to find derivative of y with respect to x? See, y is a function of theta, y is b cosec theta, x is a function of theta, x is a cot theta. So find the derivative of y with respect to theta. It means find dy by d theta. D by d theta of what is y? B cosec theta. B is constant, it will come out b d by d theta of cosec theta. B into आता cosec x derivative काय असतं? It is minus cosec x cot x with respect to x. So what is the derivative of cosec theta? It is minus cosec theta into cot theta. So this is the derivative. It means b into minus, it is minus b cosec theta into cot theta. See, we know derivative of cosec x with respect to x, it is minus cosec x into cot x. Like that, derivative of cosec theta, angle फक्त आपण बदलतोय with respect to theta, x मध्ये आपण theta घेतोय, derivative काय येईल minus cosec a theta, x मध्ये theta into cot theta. So y is a function of theta. So find derivative of y with respect to theta. Similarly, x is a function of theta. Find derivative of x with respect to theta. So d by d theta, derivative of a function x with respect to theta. What is x? A cot theta. A will come out as a constant. D by d theta of cot theta. So what is the derivative of cot? It is minus cosec square. So derivative of cot theta, it is minus cosec square theta. Cot has derivative minus cosec square theta. Take this minus sign outside. So minus a cosec square theta. Why? See, derivative of cot x, it is minus cosec square x. So derivative of cot theta with respect to theta, only the variable is changed. It is minus cosec square theta. We have found both the derivatives. Now, by derivative of parametric functions, we want to find derivative of y with respect to x. So it is given by, now y is a function of theta, so derivative of y with respect to theta, that we have found here, upon derivative of x with respect to theta. So this is the formula of finding derivative of parametric functions. So is equal to, now what is dy by d theta? It is minus b cosec theta cot theta. Upon what is dx by d theta? It is minus a cosec square theta. So finally it is minus minus plus b upon a. Cosec theta 1 will cancel with one of these two. What remains? Cot theta upon cosec theta minus minus plus b upon a. So it is finally b upon a cot theta upon cosec theta. So we can simplify. What is cot? Cos upon sine. What is cosec? 1 upon sine. What remains? Minus, sorry, b upon a cos theta. So it is b upon a. Cot means, see, cot means cos theta upon sine theta. And cosec means 1 upon sine theta. Upon sine will get cancelled. What remains? Cos theta. So b upon a cos theta. So final answer b upon a cos theta. This is the derivative of parametric functions with respect to theta. Now, second example, this one. See, x is a function of t. X is equal to 2 cos t plus cos 2t. Y is a function of t. Y is equal to 2 sin t minus sin 2t. So let us find derivative of y with respect to t. So dy by dt. D by dt of y. What is y? 2 sin t minus sin 2t. So derivative of subtraction, separate it. D by dt of 2 sin t minus d by dt of sin 2t. So derivative of, okay, take 2 constant outside, d by dt of sin t minus d by dt of sin 2t. So 2 derivative of sin, it is cos. So derivative of sin t with respect to t, it is cos t minus derivative of sin, it is cos. So derivative of sin 2t with respect to t, it is cos 2t, and coefficient of t, it is 2, so multiply by 2. So derivative is 2 cos t minus 2 cos 2t. X is a function of t, so derivative of x with respect to t. So d by dt of, what is x? It is 2 cos t plus cos 2t. So addition of two functions. So separate it. D by dt of 2 cos t plus d by dt of cos 2t. Same 2 will come out. So dx by dt is equal to 2 derivative of cos t plus d by dt of cos 2t. So what is the derivative? 2 into derivative of cos, it is minus sign. So derivative of cos t with respect to t, it is minus sin t. Once again, derivative of cos with respect to t, it is minus sin 2t. Angle is 2t. Coefficient of t is 2. So multiply by 2. See, derivative of cos is minus. So this plus becomes minus. Coefficient 2 will come out. Derivative of cos is minus sin 2t. So 2 into minus, minus 2 sin t minus 2 sin 2t. So y is a function of t, x is a function of t. So by derivative of parametric functions formula, derivative of y with respect to x, it is derivative of y with respect to t, dy by dt upon dx by dt. Put the values. What is dy by dt? Here dy by dt is this one. 2 cos t. Take 2 common. 2 common. Cos t minus cos 2t upon dx by dt. This one dx by dt. Take minus 2 common. What remains? Sin t. As we take minus 2 common, minus 2, sin t remains, minus becomes plus, minus 2 will come out, sin 2t. minus 2 common काढलेला आहे, minus 2 बाहेर आला, sin t minus प्लस झाला, plus sin 2t. 2t will get cancelled. So what remains? Minus cos t minus cos 2t upon sin t plus sin 2t. Now what we are asked find the value, find the derivative at t is equal to pi by 4. How to write at t is equal to pi by 4? We write it as derivative of y with respect to x. Make a bracket, write t here, t is equal to pi by 4 is equal to, replace t by pi by 4. So minus cos, what is t? Pi by 4 minus cos 2 into t pi by 4 upon sin, what is t? Pi by 4 plus sin 2 into t pi by 4. Next step. So it is dy by dx is equal to minus cos 45 degree. Pi upon 4 means 45 degree. What is cos 45? 1 upon root 2 minus, see, 2 2s are 4. Here 2 ने 4 है, 2 से भाग सकते. So 2 pi by 4 means it is pi by 2. Here 2 ने 4 है, 2 से भाग सकते, pi by 2. Cos pi by 2, cos 90, it is 0 upon sin 45, 1 upon root 2 plus sin 2 नहीं तो 4 है, 2 से भाग सकते, pi by 2 रहे, sin 90, sin pi by 2 sin 90, it is 1. So minus 1 upon root 2 upon 1 plus 1 upon root 2, 1 plus root 2 upon root 2. Root 2 will get cancelled. What remains? Minus 1 upon 1 plus root 2. So this is the derivative of y with respect to x when t is equal to pi by 4. So this is the final answer. So this is the derivative of parametric function.